Hello there everyone, welcome back to Ants Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic how long can ghost ants live. In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. Ghost ants live for only 4 to 6 weeks as they have a shorter lifespan, but the fertile females or queens can live for almost 5 to 6 months due to lesser physical activity and efforts to get food. Drones cannot survive more than 2 to 3 weeks after mating. These omnivorous ants live in cabinets, greenhouses, leaf litter, or potted plants. They are one of the most common invasive ant species known to expand at an explosive rate because their colonies are polygynous. It can live in and out of the buildings depending on the environmental conditions and availability of food resources directly impacting its lifespan. The lifespan of ants varies in different species, living in different habitats, having varying rates of exposure to environmental stress. These tiny insects having 1.5 to 1.8 millimeter longer bodies and do not grow up like real ghosts because they have a shorter lifespan and die within a few weeks. Accordingly, it takes time to build their muscular bodies, brain, longer appendages, and other internal or external organs that constitute overall body length. Moreover, the eggs take almost 2 to 4 weeks to become larvae that need further internal and external development to become mature adults, which take around 6 to 8 weeks. The adult workers can only survive for at least 4 to 8 weeks after getting fully developed when they take control of nest activities and participate in different roles. They die of old age after 6 weeks when their life cycle gets complete and reaches to death phase. In addition, the males are born to mate and die after transferring sperm to their mating partner. These drones only live for 2 to 3 weeks after mating because they get rejected by the colony and die due to lack of care, nutrition, and attention. Moreover, the queens usually live for many years, but the ghost ant queens cannot survive more than 5 to 6 weeks as their life cycle is shorter. She dies of aging after 6 months and produces eggs within the colony for almost half a year. The colony chooses new queens or feeds fertile females to make them queens after her death. Worker ants have many features similar to the queen, like gender, but size and ability to produce eggs are the two main differences between them. Both are female members of the colony, but workers are sterile that cannot mate with males to produce fertilized eggs. Accordingly, they become a part of the workforce and forage for the ghost ant colony. They have different lifespans, as workers' life cycle gets completed earlier than the queen's. These workers become older after 5 weeks and die in the 6th week. However, the queens can live for almost half a year, as their bodies enter a death phase later than the workers. And these fertile females can remain colony members for a long. One more reason for the early death of workers is the rate of physical activity, as they have to perform challenging tasks like locating a food source by traveling long distances away from their nest. In addition, they have to carry bigger food particles on their back or head, which seems quite strenuous for these little creatures and consume a lot of energy. In the same way, they have to feed their colony and make several trips from nest to food source, so they are more likely to die earlier as they have to work more than the queens. Furthermore, they can also be at risk of being predated by the bigger insects because sometimes they forage individually and get caught by the predators when they are far from home. Ghost ants are omnivorous creatures that can feed on plant and animal based food items and switch their diets according to available food options. They prefer to eat sweet food items and avoid greasy or oily food. Primarily, they choose sweet secretions to fill their bellies and get attracted to aphids producing honeydew. Moreover, they also eat living or dead insects when they need a protein-rich diet to support larva growth, as proteins help them develop better muscle mass. Furthermore, they get attracted to man-made food items in kitchen like bread, cakes, candies, chocolate, etc. due to their sweet aroma and high sugar content. Thanks for watching the video.